If you don't start with this first step, your neck is gonna still age faster than it should. I'm Sadie, I'm 54, I'm the founder of Face Hit. My neck used to look like that, and now it looks like this because of exactly what I'm telling you here in this series called Get Your Neck Back. Save this because this is gonna help you reverse accelerated aging. This is the most important step, and that step is hydration. Let's get to exactly what a hydrator is, because what that is might surprise you. When you use a hydrator first before any of your other skincare, it is going to be a miraculous game changer for how plump and glowing and resilient your neck skin gets. If it has hyaluronic acid in it, the right kind, can also help you synthesize collagen. So bonus! I'm gonna give this to you for free and help you make it yourself at home. Now what I'm using here is a high molecular weight hyaluronic acid serum. Low molecular weight sucks. It can dry out your skin and burn your skin. It did for my neck. I don't know if you see a little red patch there. I mistakenly used something that was supposed to be healing for the barrier, but here, like, who can even read that? Here, hyaluronic acid. Ugh. Of course, it's low molecular weight. That's not native to our skin. You can do that and get my free hyaluronic acid serum recipe. This takes 30 seconds to make. I can make a gallon of it if I want for about $1. This is just my little travel size. A lot less expensive than going out and buying some fancy hydrator that the beauty industry wants you to buy, because of course, organic pure aloe vera gel is great as a hydrator. Vegetable glycerin and something with urea in it. Urea is great and hydrating and also helps exfoliate a little bit, which can be nice for the neck. All right, stay tuned for the next episode where we're going into exactly why you need to make high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. It's gonna blow your mind because low molecular weight is in everything and you do not want that on your skin. All right, I'll see you here next time.